Good morning, everybody. We're here in a small village about 10 minutes south of Penela, which is about 15 minutes or 20 minutes south of Coimbra. As you can see, I'm going to show you a property with fantastic views. We're facing now due west, so you would have your sunset just over the mountains in the distance. Okay, this is the back of the property. There's approximately 200 square meters of land. I think there's a little bit more, but on the documents it says 200. We have fruit trees at the back. I think this is a pear, that's orange, that looks like plum without going too close. And there's some olive trees, as you can see here in the distance. Okay, I'll pan round now to show you. This house, by the way, needs full renovation, but it's been sold at a great price of, I think it's 30,000 euros. I think that's non-negotiable. Here is our placard, our for sale sign, and we're on a terrace, as you can see at the side of the property. It also comes with a washing machine that you can see here, free of charge. And let's go and have a look inside. I can't go all the way inside because it is the floors are a bit suspect. But here we have a door to the country lane at the side, and then the entrance to the property. I'm just going to stop at the door here. Hopefully we've got enough light. I think we have. This will give you a good idea of the interior. Okay. It could easily make, I think, a 3-bedroom property once renovated. But what's going to sell this place are the fantastic views and a very private location. Here, the original kitchen with what looks like a marble sink, base units, gas oven, and here, wow, this is beautiful. This is the fire with the foreigner, which is the oven, and look at the little bench seats right in front of the oven and the fire. That would have been occupied most of the winter with no television. Okay, you even get the pots and pans. Okay, so out we go from here and past what was the loo, the toilet, and now we're going to go from the terrace. What you can see here in front of me as well is a small barn. Oh, and the cat's joined us. So that is also part of the property. The property ends where you can see the cat. So let's go down there. Okay, gently as we go. Right, here is the underside. As I say, you're buying more or less the view and the 4 walls, and you might get away with the roof, I'm not sure, but that's up to you. If you come and have a look, you can decide for yourself. Okay, so on we go from here. You're not going to get, by the way, any traffic or hardly anything passing here. Maybe the odd car and tractors. This is the house of the neighbour, and here you can see the side of the house where we've been. Okay, on we go. That's our car in the distance. You could create off-road parking with a bit of work where I've just come through the gates. Here, those are the double doors that opened onto that terrace where we've just been. This is quite a big property. you have a street light, and the electric is coming in here. Mains water, I'm sure, is about somewhere. If I can't find the meter, it's only 10 meters or so to the neighbour, which has mains water. Here again is the gable end. You've seen the other gable. This looks pretty straight. As I say, you might get away with, whoever renovates this place, keeping the existing stone walls. These have been rendered over the years, but believe me, underneath, as you can see, is stone. Let's go a little bit further. This, by the way, is not part of it. This is the neighbours, as is the tractor. And we're now going in to the mountains. We're quite high. It's not too high. You're not going to get any, I think the bad weather is further on. There's a neighbour in the distance as well. And here, look at that for views. Stunning. Okay, so a project, 30,000 euros. I mean, a plot of land nowadays in a nice spot near this area is 30 to 40, but here you've got to start with the house and with those beautiful views. Okay, so as I say in all my videos, you can call us on 00351 916 270 953, or email us at the address you will find at the end of the video. Thank you.